It's Tuesday, and what do we do on Tuesday? The Helpful Home. It's a wonderful channel, and she's encouraging us to get busy and doing something. We don't have to do something large, something big. Just do something, 15, 20 minutes, whatever we can physically do, and get something cleaned and tidied up. And I'm going to be sharing with you what I did this week in the garage and in the garden. Now, it wasn't a tiny bit. Some of this I was working on pulling weeds for 20 minutes a day, and some of it I was actually cleaning and organizing my garage. So think about joining in. Anyone can join in once in a while or every week. She's an awesome friend, an awesome channel. Go check her out if you need to be inspired to get that house tidied up a little. But don't overwork yourself, just do a little at a time. Eventually, over a month's time, you'll see some improvement. Now, what did Grandma do this week?
Good morning to all my awesome friends. You know, I like to join in on Tuesday with TinyTidy tidying up around the property. And I am pulling out about 20 minutes each day of weeds. I know that doesn't look like much of weeds, but over a week's time, that's a lot of weeds I'm pulling out. A little here and a little there. And also, we're going to start doing a giant cleanup in the garage and in the garden. Now, I'm going to share with you what I have done before the boys come over to help. My sons came over on Saturday and took 2 loads to the dump. So, I had to get ready for them.
It's a pretty big cabinet that's going to get gotten rid of, and we've got a lot more to clean up and organize in the garage. But one little tiny space did get done. It's not a lot, but we got quite a bit stuff cleared out, and this is going to get broke up by my son and going out to the trash. So we're slowly but surely getting stuff cleaned up. Filled up this trash can. So I have done a lot today. Well, believe it or not, all this came out of the garage and they're all empty now. Okay, that's what we did, or I have done today. My son's coming over. He's going to break down the cardboard and put it in the recyclable.
I am so blessed to have such a wonderful family. My 2 sons came over today and took 2 loads to the dump. First, they took a load of stuff from the garage and the backyard that no longer be needed or was damaged, and we got rid of it.
Oh, you do? I do.
Well, my sons came over and we did a big cleanup job on the property. And as you can see, they're tying it down. My son brought his flatbed trailer over and he's managed to fill it up.
You can't show my face.
Okay, who can see your face through all that beard and your hat?
In more than one place. Yeah.
So, load goes to the dump. I'm so happy to have a little more room to fill up with more home decor. Did you hear what they just said? Just what the truth is. Now I have more room to buy more stuff. But I'm on a no-spend year, guys. It means I can't go out and keep spending a lot of money this year. Can you believe those words? I can't believe it either.
Can't either. Having a hard time with that, Mom.
I'm trying. Well, we got quite a bit done and accomplished today.
No, we're not done yet. We still gotta come back and get the branches.
They're still not done, guys. They're gonna take 2 loads to the
Got a
dump.
problem right here. What, it's too short? No. I'll show you. You have to tie wire that.
This is one way to get place cleaned up. Just get the boys over here and start trashing.
Well, you think it'll come out? No. I don't come out.
Here we are. The boys have been working hard. Look at all the stuff they cut. Not counting, they already have a lot in the trailer. Oh my gosh. My tree finally finished getting
Oh my
trimmed.
goodness, we're gonna be movie stars now.
Here they are, my great sons, my wonderful sons coming to help me.
Thank you all so much for stopping by today and watching all the hard work my sons put into cleaning up the garage and organizing it, and also working on the garden and the yard. They spent 8 hours over here cleaning and hauling off 2 loads to the dump and cutting down, I shouldn't say cutting down, trimming one of my large trees, for it doesn't get on the roof of my house, and give a little bit of sunlight to the backyard. I am so blessed to have such wonderful children that come and help me when I ask. They spent their whole Saturday helping Mom. I cannot tell you how much it means to me to have such a wonderful family. Thank you so much for coming by.